This comes from Ben. Is it fair to think of Berkshire almost as a bond, safe haven for market dips, but with some growth opportunities? So, full disclosure, I own shares of Berkshire Hathaway. I have for a fairly long time, 10, 15, I guess 13, 14 years. Anyway, no, it's not. You should not think of it as a bond. Now, it does hold a lot of cash right now, T-bills. I do think it's fair to think of Berkshire Hathaway as sort of a large a mutual fund. It's well diversified. As I pointed out, it owns a lot. It has a lot of cash at the moment. Of course, it owns a lot of publicly traded stocks, and it owns a lot of companies outright, right? Geico and Dairy Queen are two examples. It owns companies, whether they're talking about whole companies or public stock, in a lot of different verticals, a lot of insurance, a lot of banking, but retail, energy, railroads. So it's a very well diversified holding, and I like that about Berkshire Hathaway. But it's not a bond. It doesn't act like a bond, and in fact, let me just show you this. He doesn't. Warren Buffett, I don't think. I think he stopped using this page that you're seeing. This is from an annual letter to shareholders from a couple of years ago. I don't think he uses this version anymore. But I bring this up because it shows us the percentage change in year to year from for the market value of Berkshire Hathaway. And I know the numbers are small, but here it lost 48.7%. That was 1974. It lost 23% in 1990, 20% in 99, 31% in 2008, 12% in 2015. And this is calendar year, but if you look at just drops, I mean, it's lost 50%, I think 3 times in its history. So it can be extremely volatile. So I wouldn't. And by the way, there's upside too. It was up. I was looking at this, 129% in 1976. I mean, what was going on that year? The S&P was only up 23. He crushed it. It's up 102% in 79. I will tell you, I don't think that's ever going to happen again. I know that's a big statement, but I really don't. I just don't. It's too big now. But still, it's not really a bond. It's not a bond. You could think of it as a balanced fund that's maybe 70-30, 75-25, depends on how much cash they're holding. But it's really not a bond. I personally am very happy with that investment. I'll probably be adding to it this year. But I don't think it's a bond. I would think of it absolutely as a stock that can be very volatile.